Today we'll talk about how can you enable dark mode on your Olymptrade app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on settings, just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You click here on platform. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then you go down here until you find here appearance and sounds, just click on it. So then you click here on light. You will find here dark, you just click on it. So then automatically it's going to change with you to dark mode on your app. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.